doing out there in the YouTube world, man. You guys gotta see this. We got a new full titanium catback exhaust for the G80 M3. It's just a phenomenal piece of work right here. I mean, it's so light, it looks so beautiful. I mean, this muffler here itself probably weighs about 10 pounds, I would say 15 pounds. But a lot of the piping weighs like almost nothing. Like this here feels like it's less than 1 pound. I mean, you can see it as well. Very beautiful. We've already kind of test fitted this around, so you'll see a little bit of scratches where it slides into its clamp area here. But look at this product, man. It's very beautiful. We are going to offer this now. Unfortunately, our website isn't right where we want it to be yet. So if this is something that you guys do want to order, send us an email, give us a phone call. We can send you an invoice. We can get it shipped out to you. Right now, currently, we're going to be on about a 30 to 45 day wait if you do decide to order this catback exhaust from us. And pretty soon we'll have a few in stock. So in the mix of getting this M3 ready for you guys, Burger Tuning released these new intakes that are going to be grill mounted. So we went ahead, we ordered them right away. If you guys need a set, let us know. We're now also Burger Tuning authorized dealers. So if you look, it's pretty much similar to the intake set that came off before. We got 3.5 inch piping, and then we have the filters and the elbows that are now going to bring the filters right up here into the front, into the grill section. So we went ahead and we got the bumper removed off. We got the factory intakes taken off the car as well. And if you look here, the filters are pretty much going to go here. So
here we just received the package in actually from FedEx. Thankfully it is our G80 M3 unlocked ECU. Previously, beforehand, we've been running the Burger Motorsports JB4 on the vehicle. But now with this unlocked ECU, we will be able to do our custom maps and custom tunes. Hopefully make a lot of power before FL2K. Very, very quality. And here we have it finally unboxed, ready to get plugged up into our computers, ready to get, you know, our tune file hopefully loaded up into it.
Not bad. Not bad. Definitely puts you back in the seat. Yeah. Intakes sound amazing. They do. How you feeling, Robin?
We out here. We at FL2K. The M3's here. I'm here. The driver's here. So that only means it's time to get it down the track and see what she makes. Alright, y'all. We here at FL. I ain't gonna lie, it's my first time ever at like an actual official big drag race event, so I'm super hyped. We got the M3 here. We're putting the tires on. We have qualifying around like 11, so we're just gonna chill for now, get some food, and just enjoy the vibe, you know? All these fast cars, you know, I'm excited, man. The boost is in the air for sure. Like, can't wait. So we just found out that they switched our times to tomorrow. We thought we were gonna be running today, but today it looks like we're just gonna have to sit back, enjoy the racing, enjoy the vibe, and just chill out. But tomorrow is game time. We're just gonna chill for now, watch some cars, go down the track, just have a good time. Alright guys, so we're here. It's racing day for the M3. It's day 2 of FL2K. I'm not gonna lie, the lineup's looking sick. We got a lot of dope cars here in our class. I ain't gonna lie, I'm ready to see what the M3 does. Our first 2 test passes, the first one went really good. We ran a 10.3, but our 60 foot was like a 1.9. So the car definitely has a 9-second pass in it for sure. We just gotta get that 60 foot dialed in. We did another pass yesterday, and the 60 foot was a 1.5. We're guessing like with our calculator, that's a great 60 foot to run a 9-second, like a 9.8 or even a 9.7. And, huh? Yeah, 9.899, you know. Yeah, we gotta give it a little bit more mile an hour. Yeah, we'll get her there for sure. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be a dope day of racing. Can't wait to see what it does. Let's get this thing going.
Through a code, I gotta clear it. I cleared it. Yeah, not me. Woo! 9-9, baby. We did it. Yeah!
Got it, huh?
Yeah, and I still let off early. It didn't even, it was preparing launch control and I let go of the brake. I didn't even get launch control active.
Got one more. See which works better. No launch control or launch control.
Change.
I mean, you have to race. So do what you have to do to race. Because, I mean, unless you just get what you
Years ago, the M5, the nitrous
Wi-Fi.
it worked better without launch control.
I know the
I know shit's different nowadays, but the old M5 that we did at AWD,
You know, I
would
got.
try launch control,
I gotta
it would
try
never
it
work.
without launch control
I would
because
just get up there.
I
and
read
then
on the
just stab it,
form.
and it would always go better.
Somebody says launch it in second and stab it with no launch control.
Where's the damn
I got a
airdrop
Mac qualifier round, so I'll try it now. I got the 9-second pass.
Always forget. I have one. Oh.
That 9-second
I have one
pass.
for like 5 years.
Did it.
Did it.
You see us taking out the goddamn boosted cars, I tell you. You see us taking out the seats. You know we mean business, man. We ain't playing.
sounds sticky, boy. She's spicy. Go ahead.
But it's still not second.
At least we not eliminated.
We ain't even got the whole mile per hour. That wasn't even our best. What was our mile per hour? Our best was 139, I believe. And
Yeah,
that was like
139 was our best.
And that was 136.
That was one of those. It was colder.
That's a nice fast.
He needed more than that. He needed more than that. Definitely needed more than that.
All right, next class, I need extreme front wheel drive. Extreme front wheel drive, so when please. Extreme front wheel drive. Stop on the hand, come up.
Alright, so we finally did it. We got the DME unlocked, we got the car tuned, we got the port injection installed. We were able to make it out here to FL2K. We drove the car up here. Let me get these slips before they fly away. But yeah, so we drove this car up here. We got Robin, Sean, and the other Sean behind the camera here. We were able to pull off some pretty impressive times with the car. So super happy about it. Definitely got a little more in it left too for the car to go a little faster. We definitely got fast times, 9.7 mile an hour, 137. On this, we had a 60 at 1.401. So it's a pretty healthy time slip right there. We got another one here as well where we won 9.755. Another 1.45, 260 foot. And then we got a third slip in the nines where we ended up going 9.846 with a 145, 360 foot. So car performed really well. Nothing broke, everything's fine. We brought an extra set of wheels. We have these Toyo Proxy double R's on the rear. We got the Toyo Proxy R88Rs on the front. We were able to borrow a set of wheels from our friend Jordan. Shout out to Vinylized Creations. So we're about to put his stock M4 wheels back on the car. And now we're about to lug it back home, all the way back to Florida.